What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to cancel a direct debit on Revolut, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. Also, we've done a couple of Revolut tutorials, so make sure to check them out if you have any issues using the app, or if we did not cover some topics, make sure to to write down in the comment section below any video, and we will try to give our best to give you the answers you seek. So how can you cancel a direct debit? So you can deactivate direct debits with the web app only. So what you need to do is basically go to your account and go to the payment section. Then what you need to do is open the scheduled tab, and after it, select the direct debit you wish to cancel, and after you selected that debit, go just pressing delete and follow the instructions. Once a direct debit is cancelled, it cannot be restored. Their support team is not able to cancel direct debits on your account. If you're unable to cancel a direct debit on your account yourself, you may still be entitled to a refund, so please complete a couple of support requests. So all you need to do, guys, select the payment section, open scheduled tab, select the direct debit you wish to cancel, and just press delete and it will be cancelled. So keep in mind that after a direct debit is cancelled, it cannot be restored. So overall, that would be the entirety of the process. So guys, as I mentioned earlier, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell also. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.